I'm going to read to you from the notes I wrote that stood out to me. Okay, found in Southern Africa. Remember that? Okay, it's in Southern Africa. It's the oldest tribe that exists in the world today. The late Stone Age. I thought that was very interesting. So that was 33,000 and 9,000 years before Christ. They have a great knowledge of nature and animals. And I didn't write everything that stood out to me because it was a lot. But I wanted you to have fun with the article. And like one thing I did, I'll show you what I did. But I applied it to myself. So I was an animal science major. So having a great knowledge of nature and animals, I was like, okay. That's called zoonotic. So the interaction or interaction between like animals and humans is called like zoonotic. They have a Khoisan language that makes a clicking noise.